There are three intrusion detection system methods. Number 1. Signature-based intrusion detection. Aim to identify patterns and match them with known signs of intrusions. A signature-based intrusion detection system relies on a database of previous intrusions. If activity within your network matches the signature of an attack or breach from the database, the detection system notifies your administrator. Since the database is the backbone of a signature-based intrusion detection system solution, frequent database updates are essential, as signature-based intrusion detection system can only identify attacks it recognizes. As a result, if your organization becomes the target of a never-before-seen intrusion technique, no amount of database updates will protect you. Number 2. Anomaly-based intrusion detection. On the other hand, an anomaly-based intrusion detection system can identify new, zero-day intrusions. And signature-based intrusion detection uses machine learning and statistical data to create a model of normal behavior. Anytime traffic deviates from this typical behavior, the system flags it as suspicious. The primary issue with anomaly-based intrusion detection versus signature-based intrusion detection is the potential for false positives. After all, not all changes are the result of malicious activity. Some are simply indications of changes in organizational behavior. But because a signature-based intrusion detection system has no database of known attacks to reference, it may report any and all anomalies as intrusions. Number 3. Hybrid intrusion detection. A hybrid system combines the best of both worlds. By looking at patterns and one-off events, a hybrid intrusion detection system can flag new and existing intrusion strategies. The only downside to a hybrid system is the even bigger uptick in flagged issues. However, considering that the purpose of an intrusion detection system is to flag potential intrusions, it's hard to see this increase in flags as a negative. Some of the students ask me this question many times: what is the main difference between intrusion detection system and firewall? So, the answer is: an intrusion detection system provides no actual protection to the endpoint or network. A firewall, on the other hand, is designed to act as a protective system. It performs analysis of the metadata of network packets and allows or blocks traffic based upon predefined rules. And the next question is: why IDS is placed behind firewall? The most common placement is behind the firewall, on the edge of a network. This practice provides the intrusion detection system with high visibility of traffic entering your network and will not receive any traffic between users on the network. The edge of the network is the point in which a network connects to the extranet.